In this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know to get started with running and managing your online classes using the Virtual Studio platform. I'll walk you through how to create your free account, how to create your first class, how to connect your bank account so you can get payments from your classes straight to your bank account, how to get a public class registration page which you can share on Instagram or anywhere on social media where people can go in, check out the class details, register and pay for your class, and also how to use our virtual room that we provide for during your classes. So pretty much everything you need to know to get started with managing your online classes using the Virtual Studio platform. If at any point you're stuck or you're confused, even after watching this video, you can book a 30-minute call with me where I'll walk you through step by step everything you need to know, and I'll get you set up with the Virtual Studio platform. I'll paste the link to book a call right below this video. You can also email us anytime at help@vstudio.live and we'll be happy to answer any of your questions. Now, the first thing you need to do to create your free account is sign up here. Enter in your details, your email, and what are you planning to teach, and click this button. Once you do that, we'll send you email with all the details and the link you can use to create your free account. Once you click the link that we send you in your email to create your account, you'll be taken to this page where you can enter in your email again and your password and sign up. Now you can enter in your details to complete your profile. Select your country. Click Save and Continue. Now here you can connect your bank account, so all the payments for your classes go directly to your bank account. So to connect your bank account, we use Stripe, which is trusted by millions of people around the world. It's very secure. So you can simply click this button to connect your bank account. It will take you to a Stripe form where you can enter in your details and connect your bank account. Once you're done with connecting your bank account, you'll get to this page where you can create your first class by clicking this button. You can also go to your home page and create your first class from there. Now to create a class, simply click this button here. Enter in your class details, class description, the date of the class, so I'll pick tomorrow, 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. We will also auto detect your time zone, so you don't need to worry about it. Now to host your class, you can choose one of the three options. So you can either choose the virtual room that we provide, or you can choose to do the live stream, where the participants will not have the ability to turn on their cameras, or you could add your own link here. So if you prefer using video conferencing software such as Zoom, you can add a Zoom link here, and this link will be sent to anyone who registers for your class. So I'm just going to choose the first option here. Now enter the cost of the class. So if you want to create a free class, simply check this. If not, you can enter the cost of the class. So I'm gonna pick Canadian dollars. The limit in terms of how many participants you will accept for the class. And lastly, choose a display image that will show up on your class registration page. And simply click submit. And now within few seconds, you will see two things here. So number one is a link to your public class registration page. So this is the link that you can share on your social media where anyone can go in, check out the class details, and register and play for the class. So let's go to it from here. So I can go into this page, check out the class details, and now I can register and pay for the class from here. And the second thing you will get is a link to your virtual room. So this is the link that will be sent to your participants, but do not use this link to join the call yourself. Click the button here, as we have added certain different configurations for you as the host of the class. So when it's time for your class, you can go to your virtual room by clicking this button. And once you're in your virtual room, I want to show you a few controls that you have at your disposal as the host of the class to ensure the best experience for your participants and to ensure the streaming of the class runs as smoothly as possible. So all the controls are located over here in this more button. So simply click this. The first control that is very useful is the ability to mute everyone's microphone. So you can click this here, and when you start your class, you can mute everyone's microphones so there is no background noise. Your participants will still have the ability to turn on their microphones in case they have any questions, even after you do this. And in case you're noticing too many streaming issues, this could be most likely because of the too many cameras are on. You can also turn them on by clicking this here. Another control that you have is to lower your video quality. So in case you're noticing too many issues, you could change your video quality to low. Another option that you have here is the active speaker view. So what this means is that when you turn this on, the person who's speaking will show up in a bigger view here, and everyone else will show up in a smaller view here. Now for you yourself, we encourage to keep this turned off, so you will see all your participants in a similar size view here. For your participants, however, we have automatically kept this turned on, so when you are running your class, they will automatically see you in a bigger view here. So these are some of the controls that you have at your disposal to ensure the best experience for you and your participants during your class. You can also change your camera. So in case you don't want to use the laptop camera, you could change it to any other camera. So you could attach a camera to your laptop and then change it from here. And you can also attach another microphone. So for example, right now I'm using my AirPods to record this video. So you could also change your microphone from here. So you can attach external microphones and change it from here. Now, even after doing this, if you're still noticing issues, there are a few other things that could help. So number one is you could rejoin the class. So you could leave the class from here and then click the button again to rejoin the class. Number two is you can refresh your browser. You can also try closing your browser and opening that back up again. That could also help. And as a last resort, you can turn off your computer and restart it, because sometimes if there's too many things running on your computer, they suck up memory, which could cause streaming issues. There's also other things you could take note. I'll create a separate post on this, but there's also certain other things you could make sure. So while you are running your class, make sure that there's nobody else on your Wi-Fi network and you're in your home is using it for any heavy purposes, such as doing video calls. This could also cause streaming issues. So try to have nobody else use your Wi-Fi when you are doing the call. You also have the ability to record your calls. To record your call, you can click this button here, which will start the recording. And after you are done recording, after you're done your class, you can click stop recording and a file will be downloaded on your computer. Now, if you have too many classes scheduled, such as me here, you don't want to share individual links to these classes and have too many links to share. So what you could instead do is share your schedule. So in Virtual Studio platform, once you create a class, we also automatically create a shareable schedule page, which you can access by clicking here. So here's a link that you can share on your social media where anyone can go in, check out all the classes that you're running, and then register for your classes. So let's just go to this page from here. So this page is automatically created for you. So anyone can go to this page, check out all the classes that you're running. So this is the class that we just created. They can check out the class details and then register for your classes. You can also customize this page. So you can go back to your schedule page and then you can customize the title of the page and also change the display image from here. And once you do that, you will see your schedule page will be updated with your new title and the new image. So you also have the ability to customize this page. Now, if you create a new class in Virtual Studio, it will automatically show up on this page, so you don't have to worry about updating this page. So let me just show you this by creating a new test class. So I'm just going to create a new test class. Choose the date as tomorrow. I'm gonna keep the time as same. Choose a display image and click submit. Now I can go back to my home page and go back to my schedule page. And here you'll see my new class automatically appears here. So you don't need to worry about updating this page. Now I want to show you how easy and simple it is for any of your participants to register for your class. So let's say I'm a participant and I'm checking out the class details and I want to register for the class, so I can simply click this button here and pay for this class from here. Once I register and pay for the class, I can add the class to my calendar so that I don't forget. And let's say if I am in a different time zone, we have also added automatic time zone detection, so your participants don't need to do any math when it comes to deciding when the class time is. And I can just save this and add this to my calendar. I'll also be sent an email with all the class details. That includes the link to join the class, and I can also add this to my calendar from here. Once someone registers for your class, you will be able to see all your class registrations by going to your class page from here. After you start receiving registrations for your paid classes, you can check your earnings by clicking this button here, where you will see the total amount of money that has been sent to your bank account and the money that is yet to be sent to your bank account and all your recent transactions from here. Now to edit your profile information, you can do that by clicking here. You can edit any of the information that you provided when you signed up. Now if you skipped connecting your bank account when you created your account, you can do that from here. So right now I have already connected my bank account, so I don't see a button here, but if you haven't, you will see a button here that says connect your bank account. which you can click to then connect your bank account. So all the payments from your classes go directly to your bank account. So that's all there is to know about the Virtual Studio platform. We have tried to make it very simple and intuitive, and make it as easy as possible for you to run and manage your online classes. We created this platform for you. So if there's anything you would like to see on this platform that we could work on and we could build to make your lives easier, please let us know at help@vstudio.live. And please let us know if you have any questions or any feedback anytime. Thank you.